In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram restrict problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do to fix the try again later will restrict certain activity easy and fast, just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to apps here in the top and search for Instagram between the apps that you have downloaded on your phone and click on it, and then click on the storage and click on this clear data option, then go back, click here on force stop and then go down here to app details and it will take you directly to the Play Store. So all what you have to do here is simple, just make sure to click update to update your Instagram easily and fast, and then all what you have to do is click on force stop again and reopen Instagram, and congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.